Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, welcome back my YouTube channel Rimsha Decoration. I hope all my viewers are fine and enjoy the day of life. If you know about my YouTube channel or are like video, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Please watch this video to end. Please make sure press the bell icon. So if you told any other amazing video like this one, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. So guys, please watch this video to end, and then don't miss any other amazing video designs and decorations. So guys, I am back a beautiful idea about different shapes, different sizes and different color combinations cake designs. Here are some amazing, delicious and eye-catching cake decorating ideas that suit both home and professional parties. I hope you enjoy my video. Most beautiful, most amazing and most creative designs. If you new my channel, then don't miss any other amazing video like this one. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. How to decorate your cake with a beautiful way. I provide you simple, beautiful cake decorating ideas that is essential and that is creative. I hope you enjoy my video that is most essential and creative are mentioned on my YouTube video. If you are interested in these types of designs, in these types of collections, then please visit my channel. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Cake decoration ideas can elevate any celebrations. I hope you enjoy my video. I hope you love my cake designs. I hope you love the creativity. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel. Cake decoration ideas can elevate any celebrations. Cake decoration ideas transfer spaces to celebrations. I am sure cake decoration ideas from this video. All the designs are very unique and trending. If you like more ideas, specific decorating tips, please visit my channel and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. These decorations bring the excitement of birthday person's life and make the party unforgettable. These designs are very unique. If you like any designs and if you're new my channel, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Please like, share, comment on my YouTube video. Cake decorating ideas can elevate any celebrations. You can use each theme perfect for birthday celebrations, baby showers, bridal showers, groom showers, anniversary, or any other celebrations. Consider these theme decor matching the occasions. Whether simple or beautiful cake showcase love and celebrations. I am sure birthday cake decoration ideas from this video. If you like any designs and take a screenshot of it, and also do try my amazing cake recipe. They are so easy to make and absolutely delicious.